Hello everybody, welcome to day 16 of Waxvent. As we said on yesterday's video, I'm going to be by myself today. Rhys had to take one of his patients through, who needed to see him today. So we've got quite a long one here. Now this is Rhys's patient. There's only one patient in this video. And oh my goodness, that is absolutely solid. So what we've essentially got here is a jam-packed ear canal, and it is, as I said, is absolutely solid. So this is, I believe this is the right hook that Rhys is going in here with now. Just trying to break this apart. This is something I think I would do myself as well. What that's going to allow us to do is to get a little bit more space to maneuver and peel this kind of plug away from the ear canal. But looking at the consistency of it, not the consistency, the sort of appearance of it, it looks quite spiky in a way. There's no like smooth surfaces, and that can have a big effect on the ability of getting a grip with the suction. And what I'm hoping is going to happen here now is as Rhys starts bringing this forwards with the hook. What I'm kind of hoping it's going to do, which you've probably seen in some of our previous videos, once we get a good enough grip, we manage to get that kind of twisting and spinning in the ear canal, and that should bring the whole thing out. But as you can see by the length of the video, that's obviously not going to happen. So he's got the forceps in here now. I think he's just going to try and find a leading edge to get this starting to peel away a little bit. Yeah, you can see there's like strips of dead skin amongst this. I think a lot of this is going to be keratin as well. Yeah, just gotta try and get that slightly better angle to lift that up. Go on. Ooh, now that started moving. That whole plug around the top portion there started moving. Yeah, that's exactly what I was going to do. Get a little bit more space now on this left-hand side. Me being me, I would probably have tried a rosin inserter in here just to try and peel that bit on the right-hand side. I love a rosin inserter. Don't know why, but I just really like using them. God, it's just coming away in little tiny bits at the moment. So yeah, we're on the countdown to Christmas now, guys. We've got less than 10 days to go now. What's your plans? Pop a little message in. Let me know what your plans are over Christmas. Are you seeing family? Are you just having some festive fun by yourself? Are you just chilling out? Or are you having everybody, the whole family around your house? Let me know. We're actually going to be doing our board game, or our game off soon. We're going to be seeing how steady our hands actually are. There's a couple of little board games we're going to be doing, which I'm not sure when it's going to happen actually, but that is going to be coming up soon. Need to try and find some time in the diary to get that done. Going back to the wax removal. It's not really doing much. There is that little tiny gap at the bottom there, just in the center. Not sure if you can kind of pick that out yourself. Just going to try and peel that off the side. Yeah, that's the gap I was just on about. The one that Rhys just kind of went into there. But you can see the hook just kind of slipped straight out. God, this is a tricky old one to do this. Oh. So this is the standard size on the tube here now. I can see Rhys is trying to peel this off the side. This is all one solid piece. I thought that was going to be separate there on the left, but that started moving the rest of this. I can see he's looking at that little gap at the top there now. Is he going to try and get a rye curette in that little gap? Not yet. Oh. It's not quite soft enough to get that good grip. There it is, there's the right curette. I knew it was coming in. The right curette is like the Rosen inserter for me with Rhys. Rhys loves the right curette, but I'm more of a Rosen inserter guy. The risk Rhys has kind of got here is if he tries to get beyond that wax at the top, because this whole piece is quite hard, the second he puts a little bit of pressure on that, he's going to risk pushing that in further. Oh, that's a tricky old one, that. Oh, it's not really pulling anything out. It's literally just shearing a little trench straight through the center. Weird kind of consistency, these ones. Because they're all in, I mean, it's all in one piece, but they're at the same time, they're all sort of scattered. There's like different consistencies going on here. And like you said, with the hook, as you just seen there, you get a relatively good grip. And then as soon as you start to try and peel that away, it's just going to shear that little trench. As I said, it's just going to break that little gap in the center. So we're going on to the forceps here now. Oh, that's nice. If you can, I was just going to say, if you can hold that together. Yeah, we're literally just chipping away at this at the moment. Nice little piece away there. Oh, this is full. Oh no, that was a nice grip. I did not see that. You can see what I mean about that. Like even with the forceps, it's not really pulling anything. It's just shearing little tiny bits away. Oh, nice! Look at that. Look how thick and white that skin was underneath there. Wow. See, that looks solid in the center. Is he going to get... Yeah, I was just going to say, he's going to get forceps on that little ledge that he's just managed to loosen up. No. It's too wedged in there. It's too wedged in there. Oh, sorry. Move my chair a little bit, banging against the wall. It's one of those kind of frustrating ones to do. You can see it wants to all come out in one go, but it's really not doing that at the moment. I was just going to say suction now, just to try and peel that off the bottom, because that was quite a nice little peeler started happening as you went in with the forceps there on the bottom. There it is. Is he going to pop any oil in? I'm not sure if Rhys is going to pop any oil in. But now that is starting to peel, I would maybe pop a little bit of oil in now just to try and lift and shake that slightly. Not shake it, but just kind of move it and try to lift it, because as soon as that oil starts getting underneath, that should release the rest of the plug. Oh. Nah, it's just not. Oh. I thought we were lucky then. I thought he was getting lucky then. No. Nah, I don't think that's going to come out with the forceps. Again, really frustrating consistency to try and remove, especially when it's jam-packed like this. Oh, now that's a good grip. Try and roll that from the top. Yeah, that curette is going in a little bit further there now. So there should be a little gap starting to appear at the top of that wax there now. Yeah, clear up the little bits there. Oh. This is kind of one of those ones where it's either gonna leave a load of mess behind this plug, or it's gonna come out really, really cleanly and we're gonna see a nice healthy looking eardrum. Again, I'm in the same position as you guys. I'm literally watching this live. It's exactly the same as you. I have not seen this before, so I have no idea what's happening or what's coming up. How thick that skin is as well. You can see all that grey, that smoother sort of grey that's starting to appear underneath. So that is the kind of, it's dead skin, but it's the newer of the dead skin, if that makes sense. Oh, he's got the hook here now, so he's going to try and lift while pulling. Okay. A little bit of a gap around the side there now. Oh. Oh, we're getting lucky here now. We're getting bigger pieces away. There's going to be a little bit more space here now. So this is almost like kind of almost wedged near the entrance here now. So all these hairs that you see are literally just past the entrance of the ear canal. So we're almost there. We're almost there. That's a good grip. Or switch over to the curette now. I bet there was some relief after this came out, mate. Oh, we got forceps? Yeah, forceps. Right, take that bit at the front. Still got this plug here now. So yeah, I think if Rhys can lift this from the bottom now, that's going to free up the rest of this plug. And that should come out quite nicely. You just don't want to push it any further and undo all of the work you've just done. Oh, that's it. Oh no, don't push it in. That was close, that was close. You almost pushed that further in. Oh, a little bit of a clean here now. Oh, this is old stuff as well. This has been in a long old while. Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. We're switching now to the curette. So it's slightly wider, it's a wider diameter, so that should get a much better grip on this this plug. So you've dropped it down a little bit now. Drop further behind, a little bit of a scoop, and that should bring everything out. I say. Oh, there it comes. Oh, wow. Look at all that dead skin there. That's what was all, that was, I can't even speak. That's what was all holding that plug in. You can see you've got a little bit that's left on the side there now. But yeah, as I thought, look at that. Nice clear ear canal there. Nice healthy looking eardrum. A little bit inflamed around the edges, but that, you know, that's just where we've, you know, that wax and keratin has just been trapped in there for quite a while. But that's a good outcome. Look at, it's 4 centimeters of wax there. I don't even want to bother trying with the inches. Sorry guys, I didn't even see the numbers then. Oh well, thank you for watching the video, guys. I know I'm by myself, and I know it probably does sound a little bit more boring when we're voicing these over by ourselves. But we've got no one to bounce off when we're by ourselves. So as always, thank you for watching the video, and again, you know, like, share, follow, subscribe, heart, you know, do all the usual things. And if you are interested, you can become a member on our channel, which you will get to see more videos. So as always, take care of yourselves, take care of your ears, and take care of one another, and I'll see yourself tomorrow. Thanks everyone.